Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video from CPA003, and today I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to get AP++ and FMC in GeoFS Flight Simulator 2024. Alright, so the first step you want to take is obviously getting Tampermonkey, so you're going to want to click on the link for the one in the web store. I already have it here, so I'm not gonna uninstall it and reinstall it, but just note that don't get Tampermonkey beta. If that's still, yeah, don't get this one. This one is bad. Get the regular Tampermonkey. It'll work much better. Just get the regular one that I already have. So the next step you're gonna want to take is going to your dashboard here. So I'll just click on the icon, click on dashboard, and it'll take me here. And I already have a bunch of scripts. I already have Autopilot, FMC, and Pushback installed, along with some other ones that I'm not going to be showing you today. But the first step you're going to take is going and clicking and finding the JavaScript code for FMC and Autopilot. So I'm just going to type in Autopilot ++ GitHub link for GeoFS Autopilot. Just click on the one that says Qantas 94 Heavy to wait for it to load. And what you're going to want to click on is the first one, which is the zip file. So it's called AP_version 0.12.0 Then once you download that, you're going to want to go into the folder. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drag, there's going to be a JavaScript file that you're going to drag onto your desktop. And then from your desktop, you're going to take that file and then plop it into a new code. So once you get that JavaScript file, you're just going to drag it and drop it here. See if I can show you what that looks like. So this is the FMC. It's going to do something like this. This is a different version, so I'm just going to cancel it because I already have it. But then once you get the code, it should look for, let me get the FMC one. The FMC one should look something like this. And you might have to, it's going to look something like this, and you might have to change the beginning part of the code because sometimes it doesn't work or is inaccurate. I'm going to leave this bit of code in the description for you to copy and paste. Anyway, so that's Autopilot. FMC is a similar story. Let's see if I can find it right here. So here it is right here, this one, FMC version 0.5.5R2. This is the latest one. That's the one you want. You might have to scroll down a little bit, then click on the zip file and repeat the same process of opening the download folder and taking out the FMC onto desktop. You're going to repeat the same process as before, dragging and dropping the file into the Tampermonkey script area, and then once you're done with everything, be sure to save everything. And like I said before, in the description, I'm going to leave the slightly altered first part of the code, which is the highlighted part on screen. Alright, once you're done with that, hopefully everything is installed correctly, and you should see that it's matching with some of these sites. Also under settings, make sure you're not on novice, make sure you're on advanced, and then just copy all the settings that you see on my screen. I'm going to scroll up slowly so you can see them. Alright, so once you're done with that, we're going to go into Geo-FS Flight Simulator, and hopefully everything is installed correctly. If it is, then you should be able to see the FMC and Autopilot show up onto your screen. And one note is that there is a slight glitch with this thing, and I'll show you how to fix that really easily in a second. So I already have Pushback installed as well, and now it's loading in. So I just have to wait for this to load in quickly. As you can see, the FMC is already showing up right here. So we already have FMC showing up, and then if we open the nav panel, you should also see that Autopilot++ is also installed correctly. One common glitch of this Autopilot FMC system is that sometimes it doesn't like to engage. Like for example, when I press A, the default one still goes on. And the way you fix that is you just switch into any different aircraft. It doesn't matter which different aircraft you go into. Like let's say I spawn into a Cessna now, and then I go back to the 737 and open up the nav panel, and I have to be flying in order for it to in order for the FMC and Autopilot to turn on. I have to be in the air, so I'll go up to 5,000 feet. And now if I press A for Autopilot, as you can see, it has engaged. So I'll just press all these presets, and obviously there's nothing in the FMC right now, but if I were to put a code in, it would work, and the FMC works really well with GeoFS. So that's how you do that. Now I'm going to show you how to get the pushback one. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to look for GeoFS Pushback add-on, the one made by Totally Real Elon Musk, GeoFS Pushback. This one is a little bit different. You just go to the code, which is the main.javascript. We want you to copy this file, then go back into Tampermonkey and repeat a similar process to before, where you open a new script, you delete everything, and then you'll simply paste this code into here like this. As for the other ones, for this part of the code, the highlighted part, I'm going to make a I'm going to put it in the description for each one, the new piece that you have to put in, and that's going to be it for that one. So that's everything for GeoFS. Now you have your Autopilot, you have your FMC, and you have Pushback, which I can show you how it works. It's pretty simple. It's just spawn into LaGuardia, and now you just click on it. It looks similar to the Autopilot one, which is nice. You click enable, you toggle enable pushback, then you can control yaw and the speed of it. So now as you can see, we are pushing back. And then to cancel it, I can just close it. So now it's canceled and the plane immediately stops moving. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope it helped.